Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. You don't hit my car, Oyibo rẹpẹtẹ. Tell me you don't jam my car, Ìgbésẹ̀ rẹpẹtẹ. Hey, my people, it don't happen, it don't set. It don't happen, it don't set. Ekwensu masi mami water. She and her sister, they don't dey gbas themselves. Kasala don't burst between two sisters. Secrets don't begin dey expose like water. Hey. I talk and say, very soon, all the enemies of May Edochie, they will turn against each other. Ekwensu romasi mami water and her sister, they don't pull leg for one trouser. Hey, two of them don't pull leg for one trouser. Gbas don't start. My people, this one not be waka and listen. Oh, this one na sit down jejeje with your popcorn. Make una come here, how the God of May Edochie take dey conk all May Edochie enemy they go itwa for their head. Hey. When we thought we've seen it all, when we thought we've heard it all. Juju Ekwensu don't provoke. The woman don't provoke. She don't carry pepper body put for her sister body. Hey. When Mr. Obasi they talk, Bola warriors they make mad. You know, person wey wear shoe. Una won't tell her where they pin her for a shoe. Not be the man wear the shoe. Not being supposed to dey in the right position to tell una where they pin her for the shoe. Mr. Obasi talk una say make he enter house. Say he carry handkerchief wey be like pant. See una Ekwensu romasi mami water na. She don't finally come aside, provoke. Because she and her sister right now, they don't dey pull leg for one trouser. My people, Juju Ekwensu is hungry. She said this whole thing that is happening are not supposed to happen. Not after everything. My people, una dey see this picture. These two women wey dey here so. Now Juju Ekwensu and Ezewanyo. Now una see for them. Una see as they fresh. Now that one say make una see. Una see as they fresh. For here they chop me Edochie money. They still they chop that woman money. Look am. See Juju Ekwensu sister Ezewanyo. See her skin. See her face as e fresh. See body. Meanwhile, me Edochie dry like bogafish. The woman be like starfish. She dey walk, they feed Yule, they feed that Mubingo side chick and family. Today now the God of May Edochie don't begin they conquer her enemy. Juju Ekwensu say lie, say wetin dey happen, no fit happen. Juju Ekwensu say me and sister return all her money back to her. Hey, you know say person wey say won't do juju. Juju na money oh. If you won't do bad juju, na money. Because by the time you don't go, they find person where time never reach to buy, you say me they buy am. Not be money you go bring, na money na. So according to Juju Ekwensu, when he don't provoke, tell her sister say the situation where she dey now, person wey buy better person. Her sister for buy her instead of Kambili Chuku. She say na she na dey for buy, not be Kambili Chuku. She say look at her situation. Now let she know what she dey go through. Now let she know the gown of shame, disgrace when she wear on. She no fit go pub. She no fit go party. She no fit come out in public. She no fit do anything with her life. Ezewanyo, is this what you told her? Is this what you told her? Bring money, let's do this sacrifice. Bring money, let's do this one. Bring money, let's do that. She's done everything possible. Everything doable. Yet, her life worst past Nigeria economy. She said no. Says the one your cup don't full. Return all her money back to her. She says the one you are a bad person. You are an evil sister. Because your womb cannot carry a child anymore. Because you know no man will put you at home. No Nigerian man will go put you for house when you know say you not get womb. Your anger, you use it to destroy a marriage. You not only destroy a marriage, you took her out of a marriage, carry and give Amobingo. Promise her that the heaven will touch the earth. Say, make she no worry. She will take over a mansion. She will take over the mansion in the village. She will take over Amobingo. She will take over everything. She said the only thing when she take over na Amobingo. And Amobingo is worthless. Worthless. The ability now you give her. Mansion she not see for eye. Cars she not see for eye. Traveling around the world she not see for eye. Money banu she not see. She not see anything for this relationship. She will become the first lady. May Edoshe will step down for her. True, May Edoshe step down. She stepped down to give her no sensibility, irresponsible man. A man will not get value. Do you know what she tolerates to be with Amobingo? She said she herself they sit down sometimes. She go say May Edoshe na woman. How did this woman even keep this man? She said now wetin people go talk o, now he take keep Amobingo. He said that man dey spoil her. He say mama not train her at all. Say mama not train her. Talk anyhow, behave anyhow, you no get character. You no sabi plan. You no sabi sit down, plan life. He said Mr. Obasi. He said two of them go sit down. Mr. Obasi go dey tell am things about future. She said she not see anyone for Amobingo hand. Amobingo na so scared. Na be a problem. He says the wine return her money. Return at least. She's not asking for everything. Return her money. Not be waiting you tell her. Not be she dey see. She's going through a lot. Now she wear shoe. And she know where they pin her. This whole thing has become problem for her. Before she colo enter street, takes the wine, give her this money we give you. Make she carry herself come up for here. Because she won't mad. She's going kilometers. I laugh in Chinese. Now is the wine can't tell Juju Ekwensu say, Juju Ekwensu, are you joking? Abi you not drink your medicine? What is the color of your problem? Now mama said, join us the wine. Challenge Ekwensu, Romasi Mami water. Tell her and say, what is your problem? Which one be they deceive you? Who deceive you? Who deceive you? You be your mama. You be baby. You they suck Bobby. They say they give you milk. When they deceive you. Wait till you open your true koro eyes, longer throat, enter. You say they deceive you. Which work is the wine do? Now Juju Ekwensu say, all the work where is the wine thought say she do. Say na so she go do sacrifice. Amobingo go become governor. Amobingo now, you not get one place for politics. Politics by mouth, na a day. By position, nowhere close. Nobody they invite her, nobody they call her for anything close to politics. Nobody they call her. Now Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami water tell her sister say, make her sister return her money. Because all the charms, all the juju, when you do not want to work. You say Amobingo go from Asaba come Abuja, he go turn back to a slave. Amobingo come, he come dey control for this house. He say Amobingo come, he say Amobingo come back from Asaba, come Lagos. According to Juju Ekwensu say her sister say, if Amobingo from Asaba come Abuja, say Amobingo will become Juju Ekwensu slave. She say na so she still carry money go give her sister. When they say do the work, he say Amobingo come. In short, Amobingo was controlling her. Amo Bingo was controlling her. He says the one give her money, make she take plan life. Because the one where she did so, she's going kilometers. Now is the one tell Juju Ekwensu say, Juju Ekwensu are no fear. I no fear no boku, I no fear. He tell Juju Ekwensu say Juju Ekwensu head not correct. He say wetin Juju Ekwensu dey talk. This one why they talk so the Eze wine and the mama they dey one side though. Juju Ekwensu is on her own. You know that family where they will come use one take do they'll come use one take do slave where go they work for the others. Some family or not all, some family they always have that habit of using one of the children to become slave that will work for the others. And once they put you for that position, just know that your parents, they are always on the side of the others, sister of your, they are always on the side of the other children. They not go ever do your side. So as Juju Ekwensu they talk now, so your mama jump, shout for Juju Ekwensu. Say Juju Ekwensu na mugu. Say na mumu. Say not tear eye. Say I wish they know. Now as the wine head, now they for put the mark when it say attract Amo Bingo. He said Juju, they say Juju Ekwensu na mumu. They say when they tell and say after Kambili Chuku, the rest children, when they see for here so, say all of their enemy need to go down. He said Juju Ekwensu say wait, and wait till people go talk, wait till people not go talk. Here's the one he say when Kambili Chuku be a right piece. Did anybody point finger at you? Apart from a nation, those one they talk, but did any family member, did anybody, the real people will be say they will hold you? Did they hold you? Because before they do that thing, they make sure say they silence everybody. Even if the second, the third, all of them go, nobody go still do anything. They told you that the only way for you to be successful in that house is to bring them down. Now waiting they tell you. Say you can never, that is Juju Ekwensu can never excel in that house unless he buy all the children will come meet for them. Then she will start afresh. May Edoshe when he dey for inside. They not do everything to remove May Edoshe. To the extent they even send all those people where they buy people, kidnappers. They even send them after May Edoshe. There is nothing they did not do. That woman refused to go down. And the reason why make that woman make that woman refuse to go down is because of you, Juju Ekwensu. They told you that if you want this whole thing to be successful, you need to pay a big sacrifice. They say me you buy your own son to use the clear road so that you go enjoy. Even if na 20 you come born for year. But you need to use, Juju Ekwensu need to use one of her children to take clear road. Because according to Eze Wine, my people, I beg, this na Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. Gonna subscribe. I beg, subscribe. God bless you. I tell you now, say this video not be waka and listen. No. Now sit down and listen. There is a reason. Eze Wine say, they tell Juju Ekwensu say for everything to be successful, without no stress, everything go just go smooth. Anything where she wants, she they get her. Everything go just they go well. They say she need to sacrifice one of her pikin, make it for clear road, make it for clear road for the rest. He said Juju Ekwensu say lie. Say she will take other option. She's not going to buy her son. Now they tell her, say, if you take this option, it's not going to be smooth. Now is the one tell her, not be waiting they tell you. Now your mama tell Juju Ekwensu say, what is there to buy your son? Which work the son they do for you now? If to say you buy that boy, by this time now you for the enjoy. Why didn't you sacrifice your son? Instead of blaming people of being your problem. The time they ask you to sacrifice your son, why didn't you sacrifice him? Now so your mama they shout for her. Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water sister say the sacrifice when she do for Juju Ekwensu, when it be say May Edochie and her daughter, they not theirs. Amobingo con carry Juju Ekwensu come house. Amobingo and these children, these 3 children, na theirs. They can't do something give Juju Ekwensu say make he put for food for these children. Make he put the thing for the food where these children go eat. Then these children, their enemy go buy. Now is the one tell Juju Ekwensu say, did you carry out that mission? You go, you reach there, you come back, you say you forget the substance for us. You say you not see the substance. You reach there, you begin the final. I put it in my bag, but the moment I want to use it, I did not see it. The thing disappeared. Do you know the sacrifice when she do for May Edochie and her daughter to leave that house so that you have the opportunity to remove all these ones come off the road? Do you know the extent she went? Now you dey tell and say the charms and juju wey she do not work. At the very beginning, when Amobingo was under you, when you dey control, when you was using him, her charms no work then. When he lost his son, when this man abandoned you, who called him back? Who bring him come back? When you call him when he lost his son, what did he tell you? He told you that he has made a mistake. He never knew that this whole thing will cost the life of his son. That he's not ready to do anything again. He wants to stay with his wife, stay with his children, stay with his family. They were in peace before you came. He says, is that not what he told you? When you come cry, come meet and say, Amobingo do abandon you. Now he carry rapper, now he tie rapper, now he enter streets. Go walk. Not be only phone call you call him. As he pick your phone call, you say, you tell him say, it's a marriage of 4. Neba Enugu. Make it come Enugu. The man lost his memory. He came back, he was under you. You were controlling him. This man was under your juju. You not tell him then say, it's a wine, your juju no work. Now you dey come outside. You won't come drag him. After 3 children, did Amobingo use the eye to born 3 children? That man, if he eye clear finish today, do you know that man will be 2-faced part 2 when he dey ask Natasha say, who get pikin? When did he marry you? When did you born for him? Now waiting 2-faced ask Natasha. Now is the one I tell Juju Ekwensu say, if Amobingo eye clear, if you provoke him, if he clear Amobingo eye, you go tell Amobingo how you take born 3 children. Because he's going to deny those 3 children. Now Juju Ekwensu sister tell am say, you think say charm don't clear for that my eye. His mama tell am say, no play, no try dance to the drum of the spirits. Because they go play am for your eternity, not provoke them. The moment they were not able to buy May Edochie, that was when they know that it's a battle. So when the one say Juju Ekwensu go May Edochie house, just to go and buy May Edochie children, they carry otapiapia when they won't put for food for the children. As Juju Ekwensu can reach there, you no can see that otapiapia again. She can't define her. And to her, she put it in her bag. As she reached there, she not see her again. That means he don't say when they want to remove these children. Because according to Juju Ekwensu's sister, he said the only way with Juju Ekwensu for fit meet her goals for this house now to buy all May Edochie enemy children. He said not to buy them. And all the thank you she can get from Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water is that her charms no work. Juju Ekwensu say no concern. He said all those ones where they talk na story. He say if all these things where you talk say you do, you not do. But today look at her. Why is she not enjoying? Because you promise her, you guarantee her, say she go be like queen, she go be first lady. Look at her. Look at her. Will you be in this position? Or is it because you were jealous of her? She married Mr. Obasi. Mr. Obasi pay money for her head. Everywhere shake when Mr. Obasi marry her. She born 2 children. She jam Amobingo. The same thing. Is that why you're jealous of her? Because the charms when you they do, be like saying to punish her. How can she say she have a sister that he says the wine and she's suffering like this? I bet you never see me Edoche where they travel up and down. See the way God is blessing this woman from this story. Look at her. And you say you be the wine you they work. Which work you they do? Which work you they work for her? Pay her money. No concern her. Now Juju Eko Insu mama tell and say, be like say the spirit word that they call you. Now Juju Eko Insu mama tell Juju Eko Insu say, Juju Eko Insu, Uche Chuku, Uche Chuku, Uche Chuku. Be like say your ancestors don't they hungry you to go visit. Beware. Beware. They tell you what to do and you do what they ask you to do. I wish you follow all their instruction. Your life for the better. The time when they will say buy them, you will say you forget something. The time when they will say finish them, you will say you forget something. My people, now they see the kind family where Amobi go put hand. When Mr. Obasi they talk on nothing say na lie. Nothing say na lie. Here's the wine. Tell Juju Eko Insu say, now she puts Juju Eko Insu for where she did now. And now she go still bring her down. If she provoke her, she will bring her down. He tell Juju Eko Insu say, you don't get any power. You are powerless. Now she be your backbone. But if you provoke her, she will remove you disgracefully from that place. If your legs still there at all, you need to worship her. You need to thank her. Now she make the world never laugh at you. Now she make shame never enter your body. Do you know what she and their mother do every night? Just for you not to live there with shame. They don't fight themselves. Oh. They don't fight themselves. If you not see confession, you know, see no be everything person they talk finish. If you not see confession, when this woman they confess, their plan was to remove me Edoche children. Then they go enter us. But before they will achieve all this, they say Juju Eko Insu need to sacrifice Mr. Obasi's son where they with her, which she refused to sacrifice. They say now he make things they hard for her. I wish she sacrificed that boy. Everything for clear for her. Nothing for still clear. Not be all the juju way that they do since then. Not be backyard they still they so. Now so they for still they backyard. Nothing for clear. Believe me. She for just sacrifice that boy. Buy that boy for nothing. When Mr. Obasi they talk, say not trust Juju Eko Insu. He don't know whether his children still they alive. That man is right too. Now he know these people well. He know this family very well. Imagine them telling Juju Eko Insu to sacrifice her son because of Amobingo. Now Juju Eko Insu I don't clear say the person when he go all the 4 corners of the earth they fight for, he say yeah ability man. Man we no get future. Man we no get plan for a life. Now he go do every kind of evil for. At the end of the day, nothing for her. Nothing. Una they see and the thing where they make them they fight themselves now. Hungry day. Hungry day. And they meet Judy Austin. And they meet Juju Eko Insu. Look at her sister there now. Go use this picture now to compare the present situation of her sister. You go see the reason why body they prepare them. Even the Juju Eko Insu. All of them were eating money, changing hair. But today look at her. Now what did they carry for a sponge? Now she they carry for it. My lovely fans, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.